Mastering tag questions with will. Hello, language learners. Today we are going to dive into the world of tag questions, but specifically focusing on those tag questions that include the modal verb, will. So buckle up and let's dive right in. Before we get into the use of will, let's take a moment to quickly recap what a tag question is. In English, a tag question is a short question that we add, or tag, onto the end of a sentence. It's used to confirm or check information that we think is correct. For example, you're coming to the party, aren't you? Now let's focus on will in tag questions. In English, we use will in tag questions to ask for confirmation about something in the future. The pattern for these types of questions is won't you, they, he, she, when the sentence is affirmative, and will you, they, he, she, when the sentence is negative. Let's explore some examples. In affirmative sentences, will changes to won't in the tag. For instance, if you say, "You'll help me with this project, won't you?" Here, you'll is a contraction of you will, and won't you is asking for a confirmation. Let's try another one. She will arrive on time, won't she? The tag question, won't she, is used to confirm that she is indeed expected to arrive on time. Now, let's consider negative sentences. When the sentence is negative, we use will in the tag question. For instance, you won't forget to call me, will you? The sentence is negative, you won't forget, so we use will in the tag question to ask for confirmation. Another example might be, he won't be late, will he? The tag question, will he, is seeking confirmation that he won't indeed be late. Well, that wraps up our lesson on tag questions with will. As you can see, these are quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Always remember the simple rule. Use won't in the tag if the sentence is affirmative, and will if it's negative. Happy learning, and we hope this video has been helpful. We will meet again in the next video, won't we? Until then, keep practicing.